In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the layer line type in AutoCAD. Whether you're making adjustments for a specific project or adapting your design to meet new standards, knowing how to switch line types is a crucial skill in your AutoCAD toolbox. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. To get started, you'll want to make sure you have your AutoCAD window open and are ready to make some changes to your drawing. The first thing you need to do is type Layer into the command line and hit Enter. Doing this will open the Layer Properties Manager, which is where the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space if you haven't done so already. You'll notice it serves as a central hub for managing the different aspects of your layers. Once the Layer Properties Manager is open, you'll see a list of all the layers that have been set up for your project. Scroll through this list to find the layer whose line type you want to change. It's important to select the correct layer here to ensure that your changes only affect the intended part of your drawing. This allows you to maintain clarity and precision, especially in more detailed or complex designs. Now, go ahead and click on the current line type for the selected layer. This action will bring up the Line Type Selection dialog box. Think of this as your menu of line type options. It gives you the ability to choose a different style that better suits your project needs. Within this dialog box, you'll find a range of line types to pick from. Whether you're looking for solid, dashed, or something more dotted, there are plenty of choices to fit your aesthetic or functional requirements. Select your desired line type from the list. If you're unsure about which line type to use, consider the conventions or standards applicable to your project or industry. Sometimes these choices can significantly impact the readability and interpretation of your drawings. After you've made your selection, simply press OK to apply the change. It's as easy as that. This action will update the line type for the selected layer, affecting all the relevant objects within your drawing. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the layer line type in AutoCAD. Remember, this is a process you can repeat for any layer in your project, enabling you to customize your drawing to fit exact specifications or personal preferences. Feel free to explore different line types until you find the one that perfectly matches your needs. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing to become even more proficient with AutoCAD.